Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show you how to make easy pork patties. Let's gather our simple ingredients first. You'll need 1 pound of ground pork, 1 large egg, and about 1/2 cup of breadcrumbs. For seasoning, grab some salt, black pepper, and any herbs you love, like sage or thyme. These basic items are all you need to create flavorful, homemade patties quickly and easily. Now, let's get our hands a little messy. Place your ground pork, egg, breadcrumbs, and all your chosen seasonings into a large mixing bowl. Gently use your hands to combine everything. The key here is to mix just until the ingredients are incorporated, about 30 seconds. Overmixing can make your patties dense and less juicy, so be careful not to overdo it. Next, it's time to form your patties. Divide the mixture into 4 to 6 equal portions, depending on your desired size. Roll each portion into a ball, then flatten it into a patty about 3/4 of an inch thick. A helpful trick is to press a small indentation in the center of each patty. This prevents them from puffing up in the middle during cooking, ensuring even thickness. Finally, let's cook these delicious patties. Heat a skillet over medium heat with a little oil. Cook the patties for about 5 to 7 minutes per side until they are golden brown and cooked through. Always ensure the internal temperature reaches 160 degrees Fahrenheit for safety. Serve your hot, juicy pork patties on a bun with eggs for breakfast or alongside your favorite vegetables. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.